You're standing on a city built by lava, rebuilt by earthquakes, and now ruled by street food so dangerously good it should come with a warning label. This is Catania, Sicily's black sheep rebel, living in the shadow of a volcano that could, quite literally, end the party. But here's the kicker. People don't leave. They dance on the fault line, sip espresso as Mount Etna rumbles, and swear it's the best place on Earth. So, what do they know that you don't? Let's find out. Catania is not here to seduce you gently. It grabs you by the senses. The scent of fried arancini, the roar of vespas, the clang of fishmongers shouting prices like it's the stock market of swordfish. It's gritty, it's loud, it's glorious. This isn't postcard Sicily, it's the after party. And you just got handed the last cannoli. Welcome. Where even is Catania? Catania clings to Sicily's east coast like it's trying to keep Mount Etna from sliding into the Ionian Sea. You've got beaches made of black volcanic sand, boulevards dressed in Baroque, and sunsets that make you question your current life plan. Just 30 minutes north? Etna? 1 hour south? Syracuse? One wrong turn? You're in a 3-hour meal with strangers who just adopted you as family. This isn't a side trip. This is the trip. Piazza del Duomo, the city's heartbeat. Elephant statue? Check. 18th century cathedral? Check. Street performers with questionable juggling skills? Double check. Via Etnea, a shopping street with Etna watching you like a jealous ex. Teatro Romano, a Roman amphitheater casually hiding behind an apartment building. Because Catania's idea of subtle is lava-colored buildings. La Pescheria, the fish market that doubles as a gladiator arena for tuna. Don't wear white. Bonus round. Walk into any church. Literally, any of them. Catania's Baroque game is strong, dramatic, and slightly extra, just like the city itself. Forget everything you know about Italian food. Catania is about octopus sandwiches on the beach, pasta alla Norma with eggplant and ricotta that will emotionally damage you in the best way. Cannoli? Stuffed fresh while you wait. Granita? Not dessert, it's breakfast with brioche, because of course it is. And then there's the street food. Arancini the size of softballs. Horse meat burgers, don't knock it. Deep-fried everything. You will leave this city full, happy, and Googling how to move here. Mount Etna is not a backdrop. It's the main character. Locals call her Mama Etna. She erupts like she's got drama to burn, because she does. You can hike her, ski her in winter, or toast her with a glass of Etna Rosso wine grown on her ash-covered slopes. Just remember, she gives life, but she will throw a tantrum. There's something weirdly comforting about that kind of power nearby, like living with a dragon who occasionally sneezes fire. Best time to go, May to June or September to October. Fewer tourists, more locals, perfect weather. Stay in Centro Storico for the action, or near Piazza Teatro Massimo if you like falling asleep to distant jazz and street poetry. Getting around, walk, bus, or pray to the gods of traffic and rent a scooter. Pro tip, always carry cash. And always say yes to dessert. It's considered rude not to. Catania is not perfect. It doesn't want to be. It's loud, cracked, alive. It teaches you that beauty and chaos can exist in the same breath, that resilience has flavor, that life is better when it's unpredictable, and possibly on fire. So go, eat everything, watch the volcano, join the madness. Because once you've danced in Catania's shadow, normal cities feel a little quiet. If you're into cities that flirt with danger and charm in equal measure, check out our video on A Beginner's Guide to Naples next. Same fiery energy, more pizza, fewer lava fields.